Hello my friends, the holiday season is approaching, and this time of the year I always like to make a nut roll. The nut roll is my grandmother's recipe. This is what she's been making every holiday. So the ingredients, they're in front of me. There's not that many ingredients, but the whole process takes a good bit of work and time. So that's why it's kind of a holiday treat, this pastry. The ingredients, we have sugar, flour. I buy organic flour. You need quite a bit of nuts. These are English walnut, vanilla, some yeast, dry yeast. The dough has to rise. Eggs, salt, butter, and sour cream. Okay, we're going to start by making the dough because it takes time for it to rise, and so let's get started on that and have that dough start working. Then we can work on the inside filling ingredients. This recipe is going to make 5 nut rolls. First thing you want to do is separate the yolks from the whites. Okay, one additional ingredient I forgot to mention is milk. So I'm using whole milk. And you need a half a cup, and I'm putting it into a micro-safe dish or bowl. And we're going to warm this up in the microwave. 30 seconds in the microwave has that warmed. And we're adding sugar. Sugar feeds the yeast, so just like brewing. Okay, now we need 2 packages. Now we're going to just set this aside and let it start to activate. Okay, in a bowl I have 6 cups of flour. To that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar. That was 3 tablespoons. My mistake, 3 tablespoons of sugar. We want to mix the dry ingredients. And then to this, we're going to mix in a half a pound of butter. And here is roughly a 1/4 pound. I warmed this up in the microwave. 30 seconds has that warmed. And here, butter at room temperature. This is also 1 stick, which is a 1/4 pound. So now we need to mix this with the dough, and it'll make almost like a pie crust dough. It's pretty good. Now I'm going to make a little pocket here. Now what we're going to do is add the 3 egg yolks and 1 cup of sour cream. Okay, now we're going to mix this into our dough. Okay, you can see our yeast mixture, very active. Okay, that's only been about 10-15 minutes. We're going to add this mixture now, and this is going to give us our dough consistency. Now we need 2 pounds of walnuts. So that's this 1 bag, and we need to chop it. So I'm using my food processor. I'm going to take my egg whites. There's 3 egg whites here. Going into the mixer, and we're going to add our vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Whoops, a little extra. I like vanilla. Now we're going to start adding some sugar. I have 4 tablespoons of softened butter. And a half a cup of milk. This mixture now is added to our chopped nuts. This makes our filling. At this point, when I was a kid, this is where I would be eating the filling as soon as it was mixed up. Make sure you mix it very thoroughly. Okay, the dough you take, we need to knead this. So we're going to turn this out onto my countertop. And start working it into a dough. Once you have it worked into the dough, now you're going to divide this into 5 equal parts. This will make 5 nut rolls. Okay, I just realized I don't have a rolling pin in my Florida home, so I'm doing it the hard way. Now this has to be into a rectangle about approximately 8 inches by 14 inches. Okay, now you take your nut filling, spread this out. Okay, now we start rolling this. And the same is underneath. We want to pinch these ends closed. Now this goes on a sheet. We're going to do all 5, cover it with a towel, and let it set for an hour to rise. Now if you run short of the filling, the last one you can make a poppy seed filling, which is another favorite for the holidays. Make sure that seam is on the bottom. Okay, set that aside for 1 hour. Okay, these have set for an hour. And you can see how much they have risen. Okay, now what I have here is an egg yolk, a little bit of water because the yolk was very thick. And I'm going to take this egg yolk and just brush a layer on these. This is going to give it a really nice baked brown color. Okay, the oven has been preheated to 350 and we're going to put it in the oven. The oven was preheated 15 minutes before the hour was up. So now it's going to bake for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see if it's ready to come out. Okay, it's time to take it out of the oven. Oh, it looks perfect. Okay, once it's out, then I have here some melted butter. And what you want to do is wipe it down with some butter. This will give it a nice glaze. Then cover it to let it cool. Well, the nut rolls cooled down, so now I can cut them and give them a taste. See, this one turned out real nice. The color is beautiful, golden color, golden brown, and that's from the egg yolk. And the butter that you put on at the end, that gives it a glisten. So the appearance makes the taste a lot better too. So if they look good, they're going to taste good. I'm going to cut all these in half, and the reason is they freeze real well, and I guess I like the nuts because I really loaded them up. Okay, enough of playing. Let's see what she tastes like. Yep, these are good. Excellent recipe. Give this a try. I'm going to put the ingredients and procedure at the end of the video.